Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp okoy step by step. Gather shrimp, flour, eggs, garlic, onions, scallions, and cooking oil, then preheat oil to medium-high and prepare a shallow mixing bowl for the batter. Mix ingredients until combined, adjust seasoning to taste, and set up a draining rack or paper towels. I will guide you through portioning, frying, and finishing techniques so your okoy come out crisp and flavorful. Start by prepping all ingredients so cooking flows smoothly and nothing gets overcooked. Chop shrimp into bite-sized pieces, slice vegetables thinly, and measure dry and wet ingredients precisely. Mix batter to a slightly thick but pourable consistency so it holds shrimp and vegetables together during frying. Keep oil temperature steady and have a plate lined with paper towels ready for draining after frying to preserve crispiness. Work in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan and maintain oil temperature for consistent results. Use a slotted spoon to carefully flip okoy when edges are set and golden, then cook the other side until crisp. Transfer cooked okoy to a rack or paper towels to remove excess oil and keep them crunchy. Serve with vinegar dipping sauce, lemon wedges, or your preferred condiment for a bright, balanced finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.